Hello friends. How are you? I hope you are all well. In this video I will talk about ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a large language model developed by OpenAI, based on the GPT 3.5 architecture. It was first introduced in June 2020 and has been trained on a massive corpus of text from the internet, including books, articles, and websites. The model has been trained to perform a wide range of natural language processing tasks, such as language generation, text completion, and question answering. ChatGPT is one of the most advanced language models in existence, with a staggering 175 billion parameters. This makes it significantly larger than its predecessor, GPT-3, which has 175 billion parameters. This larger parameter size allows ChatGPT to generate more complex and nuanced responses to natural language queries and prompts. The model has been designed to be highly flexible and adaptable, allowing it to perform well on a wide range of natural language processing tasks. It has been trained on a diverse range of text, including news articles, books, and websites, to ensure that it can generate responses that are relevant and informative. ChatGPT has been used for a wide range of applications, including chatbots, virtual assistants, and language translation. Its ability to generate human-like responses has made it a valuable tool for businesses looking to automate customer service interactions and improve the user experience. Additionally, researchers have used ChatGPT to develop more advanced natural language processing models and to explore the limits of artificial intelligence. Overall, ChatGPT represents a significant step forward in the field of natural language processing, and its development has the potential to revolutionize the way we interact with computers and other digital devices.